Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about the water resources in India, its distribution, utilization, scarcity, conservation, and management policies. Okay, this is an important topic for UGC NET examination in geography. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. First of all, introduction, India's water resources at a glance. India holds about 4% of the world's renewable water resources while supporting nearly 18% of the world's population, making per capita availability a central concern. Okay, 4,000 BCM average annual precipitation, 1,869 BCM average annual water resources, 1,123 BCM utilizable water, 690 surface and 433 ground, 18% share of world population. Okay, why it matters for the syllabus? It covers distribution of surface and groundwater, river basins, irrigation, multipurpose projects, interlinking of rivers, water scarcity and policy, frequently tested as MCQs and short answer questions in Geography Paper 2 in UGC NET exam. Okay, two sources, surface water and groundwater. Okay, there are two types of sources of water resources in India. First of all, surface water, and another is groundwater. Okay, utilizable water resources of India, surface water 690 and groundwater 433. Surface water like rivers, lakes, tanks, ponds and reservoirs, feed by rainfall, snowmelt and glaciers, highly seasonal, concentrated in the monsoon months like June to September. And groundwater, water stored in aquifers, ponds, accessed through wells and tube wells, more reliable and drought resistant, but faces over extraction in northwestern India in Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Okay, groundwater supplies over 3/5 of irrigation and most rural drinking water in India. Classification of Indian rivers, Himalayan rivers, they are perennial, and peninsular rivers, they are rain-fed or seasonal. Himalayan rivers originate from snow and glaciers from Indus, like Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra river. Perennial means feed by snow melt and rainfall year round. Long courses, and they have extensive alluvial plains. Youthful stage, meandering, erosion and deposition both active. These are some characteristics of youthful stage in Himalayan rivers. Similarly, in peninsular rivers, rise from the peninsular plateau and western Ghats. Seasonal, depend on monsoon rainfall. Fixed, shallow valleys, mature and old stages. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Narmada and Tapi are some examples of peninsular rivers. Himalayan rivers are in a youthful erosional stage in the mountains but mature in the plains. Peninsular rivers are wholly in a mature old stage throughout. Okay, major river basins of India. CWC recognizes 20 river basins across the country. The largest by drainage area is the Ganga basin. Basin Ganga, type Himalayan, outflow Bay of Bengal. Key feature, largest basin in India, Ganga river basin, forms the Indo-Gangetic plain. Indus river, Himalayan, outflow Arabian Sea. Key features, mostly in Pakistan, shared under the Indus Water Treaty 1960. Brahmaputra, Himalayan, Bay of Bengal, highest average discharge and frequent flooding in Assam. Godavari, type peninsular, outflow Bay of Bengal. Key feature, largest peninsular river, also known as Dakshin Ganga. Krishna, also a peninsular river, outflow in Bay of Bengal. Key feature, second largest peninsular basin in India. Then Kaveri, also peninsular, Bay of Bengal and center of the Kaveri water sharing disputes. This is an important burning issue. Then Narmada and Tapi, peninsular, Arabian Sea, and they are flow west through rift valleys. Okay, these are some major river basins of India. Groundwater resources and regulation. Groundwater is stored in aquifers and is India's single largest source of irrigation and rural drinking water, but it is unevenly distributed and increasingly overexploited. Central Groundwater Board, CGWB, apex agency under Ministry of Jal Shakti for assessment, monitoring and regulation of groundwater in India. Overexploited zones concentrated in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Delhi and parts of Tamil Nadu. They are largely due to tube well irrigation for paddy and wheat. Assessment categories, blocks classified as safe, semi-critical, critical or overexploited based on extraction versus research ratio. Atal Bhujal Yojana 2019 community lead scheme for sustainable groundwater management in water stressed states with World Bank support. Okay, declining per capita water availability. India per capita water availability CUM person per year. Okay, Falkenberg water stress index more than 1,700 meter cube water sufficient, 1,000 to 1,700 meter cube water stressed, and 5,000 to 1,000 meter cube water scarce, and less than 500 meter absolute scarcity of water. India crossed the water stressed threshold and is approaching water scarcity in several river basins like Sabarmati and Penar. Sources of irrigation in India: tube wells and wells 62%, and largest and fastest growing groundwater based. Canals 24% more or less, dominant in Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh. Tanks more or less 5%, important in peninsular India, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Other sources more or less 9%, includes lift irrigation, sprinkler, drip systems. Okay, micro irrigation, drip and sprinkler is being promoted under PMKSY to raise water use efficiency in water stressed states. Multipurpose river valley projects. Nehru called them the temples of modern India, designed to combine irrigation, power generation, flood control and navigation. Okay, project Bhakranangal project, river in Sutless, states covered Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Damodar Valley Corporation, river Damodar, with states covered Jharkhand and West Bengal. Hirakud Dam in Mahanadi, states covered Orissa. Nagarjuna Sagar, Krishna, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Tungrabandha project, Tungrabandha river, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Rihan Dam, Gobind Ballabh Pant Sagar in Rihan river, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, interlinking of rivers, ILR programs aim transfer water from surplus basins to deficit drawn-prone basins to balance flood control and irrigation needs across regions. National Perspective Plan NPP in 1980. They are formulated by the Ministry of Water Resources as the basis for river linking studies. Then National Water Development Agency NWWA 1982, nodal agency responsible for service, feasibility studies and detailed project reports. Himalayan component, 14 links proposed, mainly linking the Ganga and Brahmaputra systems to water deficit areas. Peninsular component, 16 links proposed connecting Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri and west flowing rivers. Okay, major interstate river water dispute, river and state involved. Kaveri water dispute, river Kaveri, state involved Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry. Krishna water dispute, river Krishna, states Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Narmada water dispute, Narmada, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Rabi and Bias dispute, Rabi and Bias river, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Mahadai, also known as Mandovi dispute, river Mahadai, Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Okay, resolution mechanism: disputes are adjudicated under the Interstate River Water Disputes Act 1956 through Water Disputes Tribunal set up by the central government. Okay, water conservation and water management, watershed management. Rainwater harvesting, capturing and storing rainwater on site, rooftop tanks, recharge pits to reduce runoff and recharge groundwater, mandatory in many urban building bylaws. Watershed management, integrated conservation of soil, water and vegetation within a drainage basin, example check dams, contour banding and afforestation on slopes. Micro irrigation, drip and sprinkler systems that minimize water loss compared to flood irrigation, improving water use efficiency in agriculture. Traditional systems, Juhats in Rajasthan, Ahar Pians in Bihar, Jaboi Nagaland, cool irrigation in Himachal Pradesh, tank irrigation in Tamil Nadu reflect centuries of indigenous water harvesting practice revived under community-driven watershed programs today. Key government schemes and policies: National Water Policy, year 2012, Framework for Planning and Management, earlier version in 1987 and 2002. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana PMKSY 2015, Har Khet Ko Pani, expanding irrigation coverage and efficiency. National Water Mission 2011, part of NAPCC, Conservation and Equitable Water Distribution. Jal Jeevan Mission 2019, Har Ghar Jal, functional tap water to every rural household. Atal Bhujal Yojana 2019, community-based sustainable groundwater management. Okay, there are some UGC NET practice questions. Question 1, which agency is the nodal body for the interlinking of rivers program? Correct answer will be National Water Development Agency, NWDA, 1982. Question number 2, as per the Halkanen Mark Index, water scarcity corresponds to availability of, correct answer is 500 to 1000 cubic meters per person per year. Which is the largest river basin in India by drainage area? Ganga Basin. Question 4, the Rabi Bias water dispute primarily involves which states? Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Okay, aquifer, that means an underground layer of permeable rock or sediment that holds and transmits groundwater. Perennial river, a river that flows throughout the year, fed by snowmelt, glaciers or continuous groundwater seepage. Watershed, the land area draining into a common outlet such as a river, lake or reservoir. Research, the natural or artificial process by which water infiltrates the ground and replenishes an aquifer. Water stress, that means a condition where demand for water exceeds available supply per the Franklin Mark Index below 1700 meter cube per person per year. Then command area, that the area that can be irrigated by a canal or irrigation project. Okay, quick revision. India has more or less 1123 BCM utilizable water, 690 BCM surface and 433 BCM groundwater. Rivers, Himalayan rivers, they are perennial, and versus peninsula, they are rain-fed and seasonal. Groundwater supplies more or less 62% of the irrigation and regulated by CGWB. Per capita ability fell from 5,177 meter cube in 1951 to 1,545 meter cube in 2011, approaching water stress. ILR NWDA 1982 implements the 1980 National Perspective Plan, Himalayan and Peninsular components. Interstate disputes resolved through tribunals under the 1956 Act, Kaveri, Kistan, Ramadan, etc. Key schemes, PMKSY 2015, National Water Mission 2011, Jal Jeevan Mission 2019, Atal Bhujal Yojana 2019. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.